Good morning children. Today I start class 3rd English NCERT book. Page number 88. Page number 88. Unit 9. Unit 9. Are there something that grown ups don't let you do? Read about what this child feels. Here in the picture the child feels what something when that child sees something huge things, that time how they feels. Let us see here. Don't tell poem name. First I read the poem. There are lots of things they won't let me do. I'm not big enough yet, they say. So I patiently wait till I am all grown up, and I'll show them all one day. I could show them now if they gave me the chance. There are things I could do if I tried, but nobody knows that I am really a gained inside. See here, new words, some new words are there. Just you see, gained, isn't it? Patiently. Next, chance, enough. See, put underline these words. Next, see, there are lots of things they won't let me do. I'm not big enough. I'm not big as much as needed, they say. See, that child say, there are lots of things they won't let me do. I can't do anything because I am not a big as much as needed. They won't let me do, but I am a small boy because I am not a big as much as needed to do that thing. Okay, so I patiently wait till I am all grown up. So that boy waited patiently to be able to wait for something for a long time. Patiently, that boy wait till I am grown up. Till I grown up, I wait, and I will show them all. And also I will show them all one day. When I become a big, that time I showed them what I did, what I doing. I could show them now if they gave me the chance. I could show them. I will show them if they give me the chance. If they give me chance, possibility. If they give me the possibility, I will show them how I do that thing. There are things I could do if I tried. There are so many things, but nobody knows that I am really a gained. Gained means of a large size. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. I am a big. Really, I grow. I am grow. Gained means of a huge size. Inside, I have a huge size. Not outside, but I can do that things. But nobody knows that I can do. This is the poem about that boy. This poem is written by Aaron Etz. Okay. See here. Now new words. There down given their new words. Enough, chance, gain, patient. Isn't it? Can you see? Yes. See here. Enough means as much as needed. Chance means possibility. Gained means of a huge size. Patient. See there? To be able to wait for something for a long time. Something for a long time. Okay, children, can we go next page? Yes. See children, in the next page there reading is fun. Here given the three questions. How old is the speaker? Who are they and them in the poem? What is the secret the speaker is hiding? These question answers I will send in your WhatsApp. Think of three things that they won't let you do. What are the things you would like to do when you are grown up that you can't do now? See here, just you discuss with your friends. Word building is here. See, using the letters of the given word, make three words. One is done for you. See here the given words: blackboard, mother, vegetable, thousand, helicopter. Here they did one blackboard. You take this word and they make here three words. See there, black, board, back, like that. I will do one, remaining you have to do yourself. Okay, mother is there, no? Here I wrote her, more, M-O-R-E, more. Can you say one more word? Yes, other, O-T-H-E-R, other. Like this you have to make three words and write here. Okay children, you must do it. Next, see there, look at these words in the poem. Don't, am, I'll. Here are the full forms. Don't, full form, this is short form of do not. Short form of do not is don't. Like see here, am, I am. Full form, I am. Here I will. I, full form is I will. Okay, can we go next page? Just you read and learn these words. Okay, see here in the next page they are given. Now write the full forms of the following words. Here they given can't, it's, isn't, what's, that's. You have to write in the space full form. I'll do one, remaining you have to do yourself. Okay, cannot, N-O-T, cannot. It is, is not, isn't, is not. What's, what is. That's, that is. These are full forms. Okay, make sentence using the following. Next one, see there, he is, she is, your, weaver. See here you have to use these words and make a sentence. Write your own sentence. Okay, do yourself. Now write about two things you will do when you grow up. You can begin like this. When I grow up, I will become like, I will do like this, that, like that sentence you have to write yourself. Okay, this is yours work. You have to do this. Next is team time, class word chart. How many new words have you learned? Now in this poem, how many new words you have to learn? Write down three words you have learned so far. Write them down on a chart or blackboard. Tell their meanings to the class. This is a class activity. Leave this. Say aloud. Here they given some words. See there. Gaint, goose, jam, grey, gam, gold, June, gum. You have to read and learn these words. Okay children. See here, choose the tick the words with a J sound. Here they given sound words. You have to choose which is where is the J sound. January, J, isn't it? J, January. Goose, game, jam, jacket, J, giraffe. Here J sound. Grow, July. Gaint, grapes, grey, June, J sound, isn't it? Jam, jacket, January, isn't it? Jam. Okay children, can you understand this lesson? Okay, you read and learn this poem, and also I will send in related class notes in your WhatsApp. Okay, and just you copy it. Okay children, bye, thank you.